Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to put beta symbol in Microsoft Outlook. So let's started. At first open your document. Now put beta symbol is the shoulder is going to the insert menu option and click for the symbol option and click for the beta symbol option. Let's okay. This beta symbol is the select and going to the font option and click the font size, then initialize color. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my